Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome to Vlogmas 2023, day 15. 10 days, y'all. Only 10 daggum days. Okay. Enough about that. So, what we're going to start with today, like always, is the coffee advent. This coffee advent was gifted to me by the beautiful Melody from Melody's Cozy Crochet. Please go and check her out, and she will be linked down below. So the first thing we're going to do... Oh no, I don't know where I put the... Oops. Well, I don't think we'll know what the flavor is because unfortunately I don't remember what I did with the package. Okay, well, let me taste it. Today will just be a mystery unless I find it, and I'll put it in the description box, okay? Maybe an amaretto. It has that type of flavor as an amaretto, I think. It's not... I thought it was chocolate by smelling it, but I don't think so. And I'm disappointed in myself because I lost it. But I will put the flavor, if I find the package, down in the description box if you're curious. I am now curious to see if it's correct. So I will probably go crazy looking for it. Next is our sock advent. This is the last day. It was supposed to only be 12 days, but I missed some days. Unless I find another sock like I did yesterday. I was like, oh wow, there's still 2. This is going to be my favorite, and it's not pink. They're little baby blue snowflakes. Oh my goodness. Oh, those are cute. They are really cute. I love snowflakes. Well, look, I got some crummy little strings I gotta cut. Why would those even be on there? There's nothing that color in here. Well, I'll fix that. So those are my socks. Last day of the socks, guys. Y'all don't have to put up with the socks anymore. Let's see, day 15. I think that's 15, yeah. The number was on a white letter. The numbers are white, so. Number 15. Oh, it's a little a little Santa sack.
Oh.
That's cute. Go up there, and then it'll go under the tree. No, Hagrid. Hagrid's trying to get in my box. So the next thing I have, you guys, is Happy Mail. I have Happy Mail from Bella, from Bella's Oh, shoot. Did I show the address? I think I did for a second.
I got the camera high enough that it's not showing. Just don't hold it up to your face.
That for a minute. But anyway, okay. I got Happy Mail, you guys. I knew it was coming.
Ow, Hagrid.
Oh, how pretty. I love all colors. And this is oh so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Sorry, you guys probably want to see it, huh? Oh, there's 1 cake, 2 cakes, and 3 cakes.
Sorry, guys.
Time for him to get up.
Sorry. My bad.
This makes me think of a pastel Christmas. I absolutely love this. And I don't know. I might... Oh, no, there's 2 of those, too. Oh, and there's 2. So there's 2 of these. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this is like a muted galaxy. Oh, how pretty. And then this is like a muted Christmas. These would go so pretty together. Maybe it would be enough for a cow. I'll put all 4 of them together. I don't care, because I know they're from Bella. And see, she is so with it. Okay? And she said in her note, there was a note, I already read it. It was on the very top. She made, oh, now I know why. She made these candles, and this is Heather, our beautiful friend Heather from the Crochet Witch. This is her favorite scent, and cherry amaretto. I should have brought the note over here. Oh, I see why that's her favorite now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'll let you smell it later, babe.
Yay.
Thank you, Bella. That smells amazing. And you are so multi-talented. So multi-talented. And this is it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put it on my tree. This is her first diamond painting snowflake. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? This has got to go on my tree. I know it's got the little thing for the car, but I'm going to put it on my tree. That is beautiful. Wow. Thank you. This is so pretty. I'm not going to get it back in that plastic without taking forever, so I'm going to just set it right here for now. And then we've got stitch markers. I'm just going to show you them as they are. They are beautiful. And this is what I meant by she's with it. So every year I tell myself I'm going to make some stitch markers and send them out. Guess what I don't do? Make stitch markers and send them out. But they are so cute. So darn cute. Maybe I'll take some time out of crocheting after Christmas and make stitch markers for all my friends. It'd be a good break from crocheting. I should have cut this open, but I didn't have the box open. Okay. I got the tape pretty easy. Ooh, ages 3 and over. Good, good. I'm safe then. Because y'all don't know, I can be dangerous. You can ask LJ someday about our first Thanksgiving together.
Yep. Sharp objects are not allowed close to you.
Can't find my finger off. What is this? Oh, it's one of those little kits. I'm not going to take everything out. But it's one of those little kits that you get to make the little oh my goodness, and it's a Grinch. See, beginner's crochet kit. Oh, I can't wait. That's going to have to wait till after Christmas, but Grinch can be year-round as far as I'm concerned. So, yeah.
Here he comes.
Thank you.
And Hagrid likes the box, too.
Yes. Hagrid's going to try to put his big. And if he gets in it, I'll lift him up. Okay. I got other stuff to do. Thank you, Bella. That was a very nice Christmas gift, and it is so appreciated. And mostly because I'm just in awe of all your talents. Candle making, diamond painting, yarn dyeing. You also crochet and knit, and you made stitch markers. Girl, you are amazing. She will be linked down below, along with Heather, the crochet witch. Surely you know who both of them are. Let me take another whiff. Okay, so last night's movie was Family Ornaments. To be honest, it was kind of strange. There were some parts that were funny. It was kind of weird, but I made it through the whole thing. This is the square I made, because Family Ornaments, I made an ornament for the square. And, of course, you know, when I make one, I usually make... So I made an ornament for the tree. I will link the tutorial for this pattern down below. I use the same pattern for both. So, yeah, there's that. Now, okay, Hagrid, I don't know where you're digging to there, sir. Okay, I'll hold it still. He sure did fit, too. Look, he got in it, y'all. He got in the box. Cat in the box. You don't fit, you're too big. Looky there, Bella. Your nephew's trying to climb in that box. He doesn't fit. He's not this big anymore. And
look at him. He sure is trying, though.
He is trying. He's even trying to dig further in there. Can you hear him? I'm sorry if that noise is annoying, but he's having fun with the box. Let's see what movie we're going to watch before he gets too loud. Oh, too late. That one's not on anymore. Let's see. No, wait. It is. Well, I already put it back in. I'll pick a different one. I forgot we have that on DVD, so. Krampus, and we have it on DVD. I did not check to see if it's on anywhere else. If it is, I will link it down below. It'll be in there, but we have it on DVD, and that's what we're watching tonight is Krampus.
Yeah.
After, we go to my daughter's and my son-in-law's, and we go have a movie night, a Christmas movie night. They won't want to watch Krampus, or I would say let's watch Krampus. But yes, we are going to go have a Christmas movie night in our pajamas with them, with my daughter and my son-in-law and my son-in-law's family. I don't know how many of them will watch movies with us. And then their friends, Jocelyn and Kevin, Rayanne and Faustine's friends. So I'm excited. I got to get ready to go because we're going to go kind of early and start movies so we have time and we won't be coming home, I don't think, super late. So, okay, I love y'all. Stay merry and spooky, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.